How you doing? I'm excited to finally be doing this. It's been hard for me to find a way to say these things and try to explain our letters by using words, which are combinations of letters. But nevertheless, here I am to do so the best I can. Diving right into the letter A. If you look at it close enough, you see that it also is a forward slash, a hyphen, and a backslash. So we'll break down the parts. As you can see, the slash is used for fractions and divisions and is called a solidus, or a virgule, or an oblique. There's reasons for that, but we can't dive into those until we look at the other letters. But notice that that's what it's used for, along with many other things. But we'll get into that later. Moving on to the hyphen. Again, there's multiple ways to use a hyphen, but there's the hyphen, the N dash, and the M dash. But if we take another quick look at that one, we can see that for sure that's a little guy. No doubt. So therefore, the shortest is used to join multiple words that function together as a single concept, aka a compound word. Then, of course, to finish off the other side of the wonderful letter A, we have the whack, the escape, the reverse slash, the slosh, the down whack, back slant, back whack, bash. Also the reverse virgule. All kinds of names for this baby, but it's just the other half. Like I said before, our letters have deeper meanings than we had thought. So we'll take one last look at it broken apart. The forward slash, the hyphen, and the backslash. The letter A. It's also not just the first letter, it's the first divine letter, which we'll get into that more in detail about the divine feminine that the world is missing. It appears as our vowels. I know that may be hard to understand, but we'll go over and break down what I mean by that after we get through each individual letter. Hold up, real quick, I want to make a point. I want to take a quick moment to remind ourselves that letters and words are only useful in time and space. So in each individual video, I'm going to include this picture of the hands of time in the lines of space, because that's the way we express them when we talk about them and write them. Remember, letters are represented from the center and moving from left to right. I apologize for the crappy picture, but I'm trying to make this as elementary and understandable as possible for everyone. What I indicate by this picture is, if you notice, the letter A, the capital letter A, is a triangle at the top, looking down. If you would draw an eyeball looking down, it would be an A. So that's why I use it as all things that you see and don't see. A, as in something you refer to, and adolescent, what is there that you don't understand yet. Each word, I use 3 examples. In this picture, I have more than those words, but these will also be words I use to explain it. And you'll see what I mean eventually. Like I said, it's hard to get through this right now, but I have to more or less explain that most letters are used for their shape, and sometimes they're used for their symbol combination. And that'll all make more sense soon. Since I'm tasked with this from the beyond, from what we truly are, not just our bodies, not just our souls and spirits, these words that we use. This is the power of the word, starting with the great letter A. Also, I want you to notice and be aware that the letter A is the center of space, and it's also the first letter in the words like astronomy and astronaut. There's a reason for that. But once again, that's something we'll have to mention later, because we have been so brought up believing one thing about the letters and words we speak that we haven't realized that it controls everything we've ever done. It's magic. It's definitely complete magic. And once you truly see it, everything will be better from the power of the letter.